Welcome to Home Food Best Food. I am Bhavna Jagannatha. Click on the red subscribe button to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest recipes. Today's recipe is Quinoa Bisibele Bath. Quinoa Bisibele Bath, a pressure cooker recipe, is healthy, delicious meal made with quinoa, lentils and mixed vegetables. It is purely delectable comfort food. Quinoa is actually classified as pseudo cereal. Technically, it's not a grain but seed of a leafy plant related to spinach. Quinoa is called as source of a complete protein because it has all 9 essential amino acids. Let's see some health benefits of quinoa. Naturally gluten-free, making it an excellent choice for celiac patients and others following a gluten-free diet. It contains almost twice as much as fiber as other grains. It's high in iron and calcium and also a good source of manganese, magnesium and copper as well as lysine. Quinoa is high in protein, which can both increase metabolism and reduce appetite significantly. The high amount of fiber may increase feeling of fullness, making you eat fewer calories overall. The fact that quinoa has low glycemic index is another important feature, as choosing such food has been linked to reduced calorie intake. Let's start the recipe. Take half cup of quinoa into a bowl. Add little water. Wash it nicely with your fingers. Next, drain the water. Repeat this process 2 to 3 times. Take a pressure cooker and add washed quinoa to it. Next, add some soaked dal. Dal can be soaked for at least 30 minutes. Next, add vegetables of your choice. Quarter cup of chopped bell pepper, quarter cup of cauliflower, florets, some peas and add 2 cups of water. Next, add pinch of turmeric powder, close the lid and pressure cook for 2 whistles. Meanwhile, let's make masala paste for bisibele bath. Take a mixer jar and add chopped 1 small tomatoes, 3 tablespoons of grated fresh coconut, 1 teaspoon of bisibele bath powder, 1 teaspoon of sambar powder, little soaked tamarind, little jaggery, salt according to taste, little water and blend it into a fine paste. Once the cooker cools, let's open the cooker. Now the quinoa and dal is cooked perfectly well. Next, take a pan and add 1 teaspoon ghee. You can also skip adding ghee in this step if you want to lose weight. Next, add the ground masala paste. And let it cook until the raw smell goes away. Keep stirring in between. Next, add cooked quinoa dal vegetables in this and mix it well. Cover the lid and cook for 5 minutes until everything gets mixed up well. Meanwhile, let's make the seasoning. Take another small pan and add 1 teaspoon of ghee. Add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. pinch of hing and let the mustard seeds splatter. Next add handful of curry leaves and coriander leaves. Later add some red chilies and saute well. Next add this seasoning to the bisibele bath. Now this delicious spicy bisibele bath is ready to serve. I hope you liked watching this Indian version spicy bisibele bath quinoa recipe. Try this at home and let me know. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to know more such healthy delicious recipes. Link for the written recipe is also in the description box below. Thank you.